In the name of Almighty Allah, so today I will discuss lecture number 77, and I have collected all these vocabulary from Dawn newspaper. These vocabulary will help you in all competitive examinations. So the first one is jaded. So jaded meaning is tired, जहनी तौर पे परेशान और boredom. Next one, jeopardize. So jeopardize, to put something at risk, endanger, किसी चीज़ को ख़तरे में डालना. नेक्स्ट वन, जुडिशियस. सो इंसाफ पसंद, अक्लमंदाना, फेयर एंड वाइज. नेक्स्ट वन, juxtaposition. So placing two things next to each other. Next one, neck. So neck, maharat, trick or skill. Next one, lackadaisical. So lazy, careless, nakis. Lamentable. So noha, रंज व गम में चिल्लाना. regrettable. Next one, languid. So कमज़ोर हो जाना, lacking energy or weak. Next one, lavish. So shahana, opulent, or to spend freely, or something which costing a lot. Next one, legitimate. So to make legal, give approval to. Next one, libelous. So tawheen amaz, defamatory, scandalous, and the last one is slanderous. Next one, light. So light, flexible or supple. Another meaning, pliant. Next one, litigious. So कानूनी और मुकदमाबाजी का शौकीन. So seeking legal remedies. Next one, lobby. So dalan, to try to persuade, and those people who is involved in lobby, so such people are called lobbyist. Next one, lucid. So lucid meaning clear, explained. Next one, magnanimous. So magnanimous meaning generous minded, big hearted. Next one, mandatory. So it's having two meaning, obligatory or compulsory. Next one, varsity. So in US language, varsity is called to a college or a university. Next one, redundant. So a repetition of same sense in different words, or simply we can say it's the repetition of same idea again and again. Next one, buzzword. So a voguish word or praise. Next one, recruitment. So enlisting. Next one, streaks. So tasalsul या silsila, bend, line or strip. Next one, emaciated, kamzor. So lean, grow weak and thin, or waste away physically. So someone who is physically weak, so we can say emaciated. Next one, 24th March annually is celebrated as a World Tuberculosis Day. TB is an infectious disease, uh, and it's mostly affect lungs and other parts of the body. And it's a contagious disease, and it's easily contaminated or communicated from one person to another person, and it's an airborne disease. So precaution and safety is paramount in order to save and protect from TB. And the last one is whirlpool. So whirlpool meaning vortex or powerful circular current of water. So it's all for today, and if you people have any questions, so ask freely in comment section, and stick to Dawn Times for more videos and updates. Thank you.